Okay, so if you face this issue when you cannot update your macOS because it's a free up space, or you can say there's no more space on your computer and you cannot update, and try to look everywhere and you do not find any big files or what you can delete because you already deleted everything. Okay, so let me show you how we can do this. So what you need to do is you need to click here on go and then just click on computer. Now you need to go to the users. You go to users and then choose the main user of the computer. And then you can see the 5 folders here. And this folder is the heaviest folder, but we cannot see the big file. So what you need to do is you need to click Command, Shift, and then dot on your keyboard. And then you see there are hidden files here. If you do again Control, Shift, and dot, you can see the files are gone. So repeat the process and you can see all the files. Okay, once you see all the files now, what you need to do is go in library. And when you go in the library, you will see a lot of files here. And then you find this folder here, containers and containers manager. Guys, make sure you don't touch the containers manager folder. Please do not touch this folder. What you need to do is select the container folder, only containers. This folder you can see, only containers. Go inside this folder and then Command A, select everything and then move to bin. And then open bin and then select everything, or you can just empty bin. By this, I deleted almost 80 GB size on my computer and I was able to update macOS. By this, you can see on my screen now, I can update it because before I was not able to update the OS. Let me know if you're able to solve your issue or not and comment down below. I'll try to help you out.